Hey, welcome to Flowics. Today we're going to see how to operate your Flowic graphics through the remote control web interface. Flowics Remote Control is the central tool for the live operation of a graphics package. From here, you can show and hide overlays, do live edition of text, operate mechanics, and more. You can also have direct access to the content inbox for managing social content. The Scenes panel. From here you will see all the overlays grouped by scenes and regions. Overlay Controls Editor. From here you can do live edition of text, operate mechanics, fit collections, control a timer, sync a data provider, and more. Overlay Panel Preview. This section displays a preview of the selected overlay from the Scenes panel. Output. Here you can view your on-air overlays. These are the overlays that your audience will see live. The remote control adapts to any type of screen. This means that it can be used on any device, such as a PC, mobile, or tablets. One of the key features of the remote control is that you are able to operate multiple instances, and this is what we call collaborative production. This means that the changes applied to one remote instance will be automatically applied to all other instances that are in use. There are three ways to access the remote control. From the home experience, look for the graphics section, click on the three dots, and then click on the remote control. From the graphics editor, once your graphics package is published, you will see the Open Remote button. Click on it to access the remote control interface. Last but not least, you can grab the remote control URL to share it with the operators and producers so they can access it directly. Bear in mind, you need to first log into your Flowics account, as the remote control doesn't have public access. The update button appears when a new version of the graphics package has been published. It lets the operator decide when to bring those changes. Enabling live the graphics output will remove the watermark in order to go live. The amount of simultaneously enabled outputs depend on your graphics output quota. The moderation button will take you to our content inbox, where you can curate and moderate social content. You can also create new collections or feed them with new content. From the moderation tab, you can also access the Discover Content feature, where you can do quick searches on Twitter and Instagram to feed your flows and collections with social content. The Open Output button will take you to the output. You can grab the output URL to share it with your technical team so they can integrate it with your graphics insertion system. Or you just can open the output in a different tab just to monitor your graphics package. And this is all for today. Thanks for watching.